Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do some small visualization of the data which we have. Okay, on the right hand side, I have this school rating table and I have this scores table. So what I will do is I'll try to put some values in this visualization from this scores table. Okay. So for visualization, let's start with this donut one. Okay. I really like this donut one. So I'll go with this donut chart. Okay. And what I will also do that the files which I have the scores and school rating, I will share the link with you guys as well so that you can try the same things on your end. Okay, so this donut is here and now let's see what I need the values here. So first of all, let's start with the category. Okay, start with the male and female. I can draw or I can just select it. It will be going to the legends or I can just simply drag this, okay, and put it up in the donut chart, okay. So whatever suits you, you can do that, okay. And also you can just drag it up and down, like maybe move it to values, move it to details, as per your need or as per you like. You can do these things, okay. So now the categories is here on the legends. Now I want the year as well, okay. Values I want here. Instead of sum, I want this maybe count. Count is better. Okay. So I will make it a little large so that you can see it on your end. Okay. So now you can see that it clearly says 32.41K as male and the light blue color is female. Okay. And if you hover the cursor on the chart, it also says that count and everything. Okay. Also, let me add something on the top. I will go to insert. Okay, let's add a text box so that I can give it some beautiful name to it. Okay, so I will make it some small. Okay, and I will maybe like give some name to it, like school profile or something. Okay, whole profile. That's fine. So you can change the size if you like, make it bold, make it italic, change side 32, 28. As per your need, you can change the font. Okay. Whatever you like, you can just change it. And also, if you want to, you can do it very well. Okay. Yeah, that's it. How you can add a text box. So now this one is done. I have this female and male category in things. Okay. Want something more. So let's do a control C. Control C is shortcut of copy. And I will do a control paste. Now I have these two donut charts. So what I want, instead of these categories, okay, in the second chart, I want something else. Okay. Let's start with grade. Okay. I want this grade to be shown up here, and I do not want all grades because basically all grades consist of every grade starting from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I just want values from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I don't want all grade because, like I mentioned, it consists of everything already. The grades is there. It's there in the legends. Now, what I want number of tested. Okay, let's see this. So I instead of this sum, I want it to be count. Okay, I want to have the count. Okay, I I want to have the data as category wise. So this category. Okay. So in this category, what I can do is that if I want to see the details for male, I can just select the male, then it will show me the values and everything. I can do only for the females. Okay. Then I will have the same data for females as well. Or else, what you can do is you can just copy the table, paste it again, okay, and in the other, just make it for female. So the upper one you can make it for just this is for female, and the lower part you can make it just for males. Okay. So by this doing this, you have data by year. Okay, you have this data by categories, maybe male and female, and then you have the other chart which shows the values for male only. Okay. So likewise, you can play with the data around. You can select the columns, okay, and then you can apply the filters. So when you select the particular chart, you have this filter option shows up in the here, this visualization part or in the filter part. Can filter according to your need, okay. And in the legends you have this option in virtualization, legends, values and details. So basically legends, when you put up values in the legends, it will show on the right hand side, and then values, it will be basically showing up the values of the column data which you are putting up. And in the details, basically it will show you the details of the data. That's it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's session. And I will try to cover more of the things in the later videos. So do not worry about it. And yes, just stay tuned with this playlist. There will be more videos adding up. And see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. And also, don't forget to leave your comment in the section if you have any doubt. And if you like the content, please do the like, comment, and share button. So, yeah, till then, bye.